Oh, g'day mate. Well, in Australia we call mates mates, so if you tune in, you're a mate. Mates, buddies. Right, I'm going to do this on the same bit of wood the standard 372 of my sons went through, and then I can compare this with this 372. It's 72cc, this is 62. So the bar only just goes to the edge there, so we'll see how she goes. Well, that worked well. Before I sign off, if you guys want to get involved with one of these saws, Chinese saws, first modification, change this spark plug to NEC and NKG or what it is, or Champion. The Chinese made spark plugs, they misfire and carry on. I've changed that. Next change, get a muffler with twin ports. That'll open her up and she'll run better, which I've tested with twins, singles, bigger twins. This size seems to be the best. Unless you really port, you go bigger. But it goes good, it starts easy. Well, I'm going to pull the carby apart when I get home. Sounds like there's dirt or something in there. But it cut through that big bit of timber. Didn't like it, but it cut. Alright mate, thanks for watching. See you again next time.